All right, Georgie Sports Cards here. We're doing a couple more boxes here for Baker. Good luck, man. Chee Platinum and Ice Hockey. Box of a Peachy is $80. $80. Nikolai Goldman. Sparks. Lad. Patan. Naslund. Delarose. Sam Reinhart. Trex. Donsky. Jonathan Bernier. Trex. Carey Price. Karen Weber. Zetterberg. Subban. Cousins. For the Jets, Teemu Solani. Murray. Domi. Plotnikov. Seguin. We got Zachary Foucault. A red prism to 149. Max Domi. Gold. Jordan Eberle. Gold. Seismic Gold. 2/50. 2/50. Eberle. Islanders. John Tavares. Crawford. Connor McDavid. Philip Forsberg. Jonathan Bernier. Ratnan. Johansson. We got Colton Pyarko. White ice to 199. Nick Shore. We got Ryan Hartman for the Blackhawks. Ryan Hartman. Connor Helbachuk. No, we get Hartman and ice. A chance to go 3 for 3. Soros. All right, Icebox. Good luck, Dusty. Steven Piscotty. $9.99. Louis Dominique. Coyotes. Dominique. We got Juice Saros. Maybe our exquisite right here. We got Mara Lemieux, $4.99 exquisite base, Legends. Mara Lemieux, 149 of 4.99. Lemieux. $19.99. Stefan Noason, the Ducks. Noason. We got Vladimir Tarasenko. Frozen jersey. Frozen Fabrics jersey. Robbie Fabry, Glacial Graphs. Redemption. Choppy. So choppy. Seriously? There you go. Robbie Fabry, Glacial Graphs. 2015-16 Ice Glacial Graphs. Glacial Graphs. $19.99 wrong Oiler, David Musil. Maybe the other Oiler. Oiler. And we got to 1999 Nick Shore for the Kings. Nick Shore. There you go, Dusty. Appreciate it, man. More boxes.